All right, CEEFAM. Hey, honestly speaking, bro, the tripod is probably the best investment I ever had on the channel, bro. The tripod is literally the best investment. But hey, what it do, man? It's your boy CEEFAM back at it with another slight video, man. Hey, y'all, look, today, just gonna talk about, man, should you invest, right? Should you buy a Trackhawk in the year of 2026? All right, we all know there's a lot of different options out there, man. You can go BMW X6M. You can go Mercedes GLE 63, 53, 43, AMG. All right, you can go many different options. All right, y'all. And yeah, for those of y'all that got big money out there, you can go Urus. You can go this, and RSQ8. You can go this, and that. But hey, y'all, look. Honestly speaking, bro, this is probably the best SUV under 100,000. All right, right now you can find them for about. You can find a good one like mine, 2021. Got mine about 6,500 miles. I got mine for $80,000 out the door, right? But yeah, should you buy a Trackhawk, man, in the year 2026? Why not? The pros, the cons. I'm just gonna get right into it. You heard me? I ain't about to sit here and waste no time and just talk y'all ear off and all this and that. Let's get to it, man. I ain't, you know. Oh yeah, hey, no. Y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, man. Click that bell, turn on all post notifications so y'all are updated, alerted every time your boy CEEFAM will drop. But let's get into it, man. Yeah. Also, from my experience, man, as some of y'all do know or don't know, man, this is my second Trackhawk. We ended up winning one from CJ32s a long time ago, man, probably over a year ago, right? Ended up getting to Germany, had a Hellcat, traded in my freaking Hellcat, the car that I told my girl I was never gonna get rid of again, right? Traded that car in for another Trackhawk, right? So, should you guys get a Jeep Trackhawk, all right, in the year of 2026? And honestly speaking, my answer is yes. All right, bro. If you can afford to get this car, please get it. All right, y'all. This is by far the best SUV that you can get right now. At least I would think. All right. And this is non-biased opinion. Okay. This is the best SUV you can get right now under $100,000. All right. I'm talking about as far as space, reliability, comfortability, just everything, man. I can go get groceries in this. And then if I see somebody on the highway that won't smoke, I can just, you know, turn my little dial, put that boy in track custom, and then just get busy. All right, y'all. So this car right here, man, truth be told, is probably the best SUV you can get under $100,000, man. All right. So say, for example, if in the event there was a Urus and this car, all right, yes, the Urus would beat me, most definitely. However, right, that car is 180. I'm talking about the old Urus, right? New Urus, they paying 400,000, 300,000 for a brand new Urus. All right, you can get the same performance, the same everything with a car under $100,000. All right, y'all. So let me just pop the hood, man. For those of y'all that, I don't know, just curious or just want to see. Let me show y'all boys something, man. All right, you ain't gonna see this in a damn Urus, bro. I don't care if it's the Performante. I don't care if it. Boom, man, you ain't gonna see this, bro. This is what I call love at first sight. You heard me? This is love at first sight. All right, y'all. So as I said, bro, reliability, comfortability, man, just every day, right? So as far as like daily in this car, y'all, I do daily this car. Okay, y'all. I've never been the type to you know, pay all this money for a vehicle and then not daily it, all right? Or just put it in the garage and then just drive a hoopty around just to keep the miles low. Man, y'all, truth be told, I don't care about keeping the miles low on this car, all right? I'm a person, bro, hey, if you buy a vehicle, right? If you buy an expensive vehicle, see, if you buy any vehicle, right? Vehicles are meant to be driven, y'all, all right? And I will put miles on this car. Okay, I will. I'm not saying I'm gonna beat it up, I'm gonna dog it up or nothing like that. I'm not gonna do all of that. All right, but I will have my fun with this car, as everybody should. All right, man. So yeah, this car, it only broke down on me one time, and that was like a battery issue. All right, but at the same time, I feel as though I'm not saying all Jeeps, right, but all Dodges, all Mopars have some kind of electrical problems, and that's totally fine, y'all. Right? That's just normal car stuff. You heard me? Battery this, battery that. It's gonna happen to all vehicles. You know what I mean, y'all? And then like, I really feel like a good selling point that had me hooked on this car, y'all, right, was pretty much like this car holds value, bro. Like this car holds its value. All right, man. So like I can pull up right now, y'all, a 2018. Like I can pull up right now, y'all, a 2018 with 60, 70,000 miles, and it's still gonna be selling for like 60,000. All right, y'all, like my car, if I would have bought this car in the States, CEEFAM, this car would have been at least, I'm talking easy, 120, 115,000. You know what I mean, y'all? So this car, like people always say, man, cars are not investments, cars are not assets, cars are not this and that. Y'all, I'm telling you, man, this is probably one of the only Hellcat cars, all right? And I'm talking about, like I said, under 100,000, right? Whatever, that are actually gonna hold their value, man, right? Like my green Hellcat did not hold his value, I'm pretty sure. My white red eye, as soon as I drove that boy off the lot, bought that boy brand new in Hawaii, as soon as we drove that boy off the lot, probably lost 15, 20,000, right, y'all? Like no other car, maybe a Demon 170, maybe, all right? And even all them cars right there, y'all, are losing value, man, right? So yeah, like if you want a car, bro, that's comfortable, you want a car that's reliable, you want a car that, shit, man, you can put your kids in, you can do this and that. Y'all, don't mind my car. Y'all might not think it's dirty. I think it's dirty, all right, man. My daughter be having her shoes up against the seat. Like, you know, we usually put her iPad right here, y'all. You heard me? She be looking up in the sky and stuff, man. You know what I mean? So yeah, man, like I said, if you want a car, man, that got good reliability, good comfort, man, fit the family in here, right? You know, the wife be in here comfortable, bro. The seats and all that in here go down. So let me just show y'all boys, man, what y'all boys getting for under 100 bands. And I know 100,000, y'all, is steep. It's steep for anybody. Damn, I forgot I had this boy in here. Right, so boom, I can fit stuff like this in here. You heard me? I fit a TV in here before. I done fit so much stuff in here. I done fit all my stuff in here, bro. All right, boom, you hit this boy right, y'all. Smack. You know, this boy come down pretty much, I think it's what, 60-40, all right, boy, 80-20, whatever it is, split. But at the same time, you know, if my daughter car seat wasn't in here, this will go down, y'all, right? And you can fit so much stuff back here, y'all, it's insane. All right, and then yeah, like this is my like seat setting. So as y'all see, man, I still got room. If I need to go back some more, I can still go back. So super spacious, man. All right, this car is beyond great. I wouldn't trade it in for nothing, bro. Right, y'all? Like, it would take a lot for me, CEEFAM, to trade this car in. Honestly speaking, there's really nothing else I can go up to from this, at least to me, that's gonna like immediately impact my channel or immediately, like, you know what I'm saying? There's really nothing, y'all, truth be told, right? So hold on, boy. So yeah, your boy C Will getting ready for winter, man. Y'all know we from Louisiana, bro. We don't really get snow, but out here in Germany, hey, your boy C Will ready, and I'm ready to go. Shit, hey, your boy got to prep. But yeah, man, like, sheesh, as I said, bro, this car is amazing. I'm not trading this car in for nothing. All right, should you buy one in 2026, bro? I definitely think yes. All right, if you compare this car right here to a Audi RSQ8, guess what? You're gonna be paying way more for that Audi RSQ8. And I really think this car on the inside is bigger than the Audi, to be completely honest. All right, y'all, if you compare this car to a BMW X6M, I heard that the X6Ms aren't really that spacious on the inside. All right, y'all, you get more horsepower, right, in this car right here versus a BMW X6M. Like, you getting less horsepower. However, something that I know Dodge is lacking on, man, is the interiors. All right, whenever you gonna buy that BMW X6M, you're gonna get a better interior. All right, I must say, you know, you're gonna get the little ambient lighting, you're gonna get all the fancy. But hey, Dodge is all right. You know, or Jeep is all right, man. We got good carbon fiber right here. We got light carbon fiber right there. I'm actually getting this replaced, so all this right here gonna be carbon fiber. I'm gonna have a big Tesla screen. That's coming, man. I'm just waiting on them boys to send me that. But yeah, man, like, you're gonna have the X6M light up in the seat. So I definitely understand, man, right? Like this car in comparison to other cars, man, if you do pay more for the X6M and you do pay more for the RSQ8, you do pay more for the vehicles that are comps towards this, well, comps to this car. You know, there's other things besides power that's gonna compensate for you overpaying, or you paying more for that car versus this car, man. The interior gonna most likely be better. The infotainment system gonna be better. You know, like, there's gonna be stuff that's gonna be a lot better. All right, but if you just talking about, at least to me, bro, you talking about daily, and you talking about just, man, driving this car all day, every day. Yeah, the gas suck, bro, but hey, the gas gonna suck in all them other cars I had mentioned as well, man. All right, y'all, so if y'all boys on the fence, You heard me? If you are on the fence by any, I'm talking about you slightly on the fence, you super duper on the fence, you close, you heard me? Like you've been saving up to get this car, get that car. Should you get it? Should you not? Man, I'm here to tell y'all firsthand, bro. If you can afford it, bro, get it. If you're on the fence, get it. Don't sit and wait and, oh man, I should have, could have, man, I wish I would have got. Cause me, I live life, bro, with no regrets, y'all. I'm not about to sit here and, man, I should have did it. Oh man, I wish I would have. Nah, bro. Hey, y'all see it firsthand. I went and I did it, bro. I don't care. You know, unfortunately, whenever I die, I'm not gonna die with the Trackhawk with me, but at least I'm gonna die knowing shit. I own shit, 2 of them. You heard me? 2 Hellcats, well, 1 red eye, another Hellcat. You know, I done own so much. You know, I'm definitely blessed, y'all. But yeah, hey, definitely get one, y'all. Oh, I never noticed this SRT in a. Okay. Yeah, there's still stuff, y'all, that I'm getting, you know what I mean, familiar with this car. Even though I've owned it twice, it still feel like, you know, it's cool. But hey, this right here is this what I was like trying to tell y'all boys in the last video too, man, pertaining my like battery and all that. So pretty much y'all see this boy don't stay open. This car costs too much. So pretty much like this red terminal right here, y'all, right? This boy right here was loose. So meaning like it wasn't catching friction. So as y'all see now, if I dangle on it, that boy not going nowhere, you know, because I had tightened it. So pretty much this whole little terminal right here was loose. So it wasn't catching it wasn't like having that friction that it needed whenever it's tight to like send the voltage to the car, pretty much, man, from the battery to the car to the battery, whatever. So once I tightened this up, for my people that was confused from the last video, boom, you know, ended up getting the correct voltage reading and all that, man. And yeah, appreciate all my people who, you know, but yeah, like that's simple stuff on the car, y'all, right? That's not gonna hinder me from getting the car, not getting the car, bro. That's just common things in the car, y'all, that may or may not happen. Cool. All right, but yeah, man, shit, I just wanted to break this down to y'all, bro. You heard me? Should you get a Jeep Trackhawk in 2026? My answer to you will and always will be yes, bro. Please do it, man. You won't regret it. Man, I mean, yes, like the maintenance on these cars are expensive, you know, but it's doable, man. You know, like you only got to do certain things every couple thousand miles, right? Your front differential, your rear differential at 30,000, then at 60,000 miles, right? And you can do those things yourself. You don't have to take your car to the dealership and overpay just for the labor. And all you need is the actual lubricant, right? The front differential oil or rear differential lubricant, whatever. And then, you know, go on YouTube. So I'm gonna do all my services on my car myself, and everything is documented. So if in the event that I end up selling this car, y'all, right, like I'm not losing too much on the car, if not anything, you know, like I don't expect to get 80,000 what I pay for it, which this car is worth way more than, because I got this car on a great deal, whatever, bro. But yeah, man, like services on this car, bro, it's not that bad, bro. Like, you know, oil changes routine every couple thousand miles, front differential, rear diff, and after that, bro, you're really good, right? You know, change your tires every now and again, right? That's it. But yeah, man, I don't think maintenance on this car is really detrimental. Like I said, in comparison to them BMWs, the Mercedes Benzes, them kind of cars, hey, y'all gonna be paying that bread. You know what I mean? Take that boy to the dealership if y'all want to. Got to put it in service mode, and right, you got to deal with all these issues. A Dodge, well, this car right here, man, I ain't got to worry about none of that, man. I ain't got to put it in service mode. I ain't got to reprogram the computer whenever I do this and change the brakes and do that. You know, everything on this car, y'all, is straightforward, right? What you see is what you get, man. So yeah, I'm all for it, bro. I would definitely push y'all to get one for sure. Right, man, if y'all ever came to me, AC Will, man, like, you know, I've been saving up for a while, bro, and, you know, shit, I definitely see you got your Trackhawk, bro, shit, you know, you think I should get one, bro? Hell yeah, bro, what the hell? What the helly? What we talking about, bro? Hey, definitely get one in 2026, y'all. This is something y'all will not regret. I guarantee y'all, man, y'all will not regret this purchase, bro. But yeah, hey, I appreciate y'all boys, man. Hopefully y'all boys enjoyed the video, man. I'm really 2 videos in today. You know what I mean? Should you buy a Trackhawk in 2026? Should you not buy a Trackhawk in 2026, right? This is why you should. This is probably why you shouldn't. I pretty much hit more on the why you should, right? Because I definitely want to push y'all, man, to be the best y'all can be, right? Like that's just me. You heard me? I didn't have nobody to really push me to be the best I can be in life. You know what I mean, y'all? Like in life, right? Like I always just went through life and try to figure things out on my own. All right, so if I can help anybody, bro, make a choice, if I can push you to be better, whether it's with cars, with life, or anything like that, y'all, I'm gonna do the best I can do. You heard me? Because I would want that for me. You know, back in the day, whenever I was younger, I was coming up. I'm still young now. Don't get it confused or misconstrued. Your boy's still young, but yeah, man. Hey, what y'all boys think about the whip? What y'all think about the whip? It's cold, boy. Ay, que lindo papito, boy. Sheesh. And I'm out here making videos for y'all, bro. Hey, like I said, tripod, the best thing that ever happened to my damn channel, bro. Because now I don't gotta wait on nobody. I can just shoot my own content whenever I feel like it, bro. Ain't no excuse this year, 2026. We going up. You heard me? 20K on YouTube this year, man. But hey, I appreciate y'all, bro. Y'all new to the channel. I need to go rinse this boy off. Sheesh. Y'all new to the channel. Make sure y'all boys like, subscribe, and comment, man. Thank y'all for everything, bro. Thank y'all for taking time out of y'all day for shit. You know, chilling with your boy C-Will, man. Come hang out with your boy, man. Light slight work, bro. You heard me? Appreciate y'all. Like I said, y'all new to the channel. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, man. Click that bell, turn on all post notifications, bro. And just, bro, like the video, bro. Just like the damn video. Why y'all acting whack, bro? Why y'all being lame, bro? You heard me? I be seeing some of my videos be 600 views, 60 likes. I'm like, bro, like the vid. I'm not asking you for no money. You don't gotta cash at me. I'm not trying to scam you. I'm not putting you in this investing Ponzi scheme. Bruh, like the video, bruh. It's free, you know, just so we can get pushed on YouTube algorithm, man, right? Push our videos to more people. But yeah, hey, it's cold. I'm about to get the hell in the car. I'm like, let me get my damn tripod, man. Boy, it's cold as hell out here. And I'm over here talking about like the video. Hey, I holla at y'all. I holla at y'all boys next time, man. It's your boy C-Will. Y'all CEEFAM. And yeah, let's get to it, man.